Welcome back to OFR. My name's Kevin, and in this video, I'll be guiding you on how to build the Hemnes 8-drawer dresser from IKEA. This IKEA dresser comes in 3 boxes, and before you start, I'd recommend organizing everything. There are 3 bags that are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Don't mix them together as you'll have a lot more trouble figuring out which screws are the right ones to use. All you need for this assembly is a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer. You may want to use an impact driver with the posi drive bit to speed up the process. Just be careful as the wood is soft and cracks easy. To start, grab the 4 pieces of wood that are marked L1, L2, R2, and R1. All the labels should be facing the top like this. Make sure you put them in order from left to right. The 2 middle legs will have their indentations facing inwards. Grab 12 screws from bag 1 and screw them in these holes as shown. I turned the legs to give you a better angle. Each leg will contain 3 screws. Now grab these 2 wooden panels and place them in the middle of each pair of legs. Make sure these 3 holes are facing towards the top. Now grab 8 dowels and hammer in 2 dowels in these 2 holes. Do the same for the other side of the panel. Repeat the same process on the other panel with the other 4 dowels that you have left. Next, you will need to grab 12 fasteners. Insert and tighten these fasteners in these 6 holes. Do the same on the other panel. Grab 3 drawer sliders that say L on them and place them like this. The left drawer sliders correlate with the left panel. Do the same thing on the right panel, but using the drawer sliders that have the R on them. Now grab 12 small screws from bag 1. One screw goes above the wheel, and the other one goes in the very last hole of the drawer slider. Each panel will get a total of 6 screws. The next step is putting the plastic scratch guards on. On the left legs, make sure this end of the scratch guard is facing inwards. Now for the right legs, you do the same. Make sure this end is facing inwards. For the next step, you'll need to grab 10 of these screws and screw them in each of these holes, 5 on the left legs and 5 on the right legs. Now grab these 2 short pieces of wood that look like this. From bag 2, insert 1 dowel in each of these holes and hammer them in. Now insert the 2 pieces of wood like this on the left panel. Grab 2 fasteners and screw them into these 2 holes. The next step is to grab these 3 long pieces of wood. They should all be equal in lengths. Now grab the stained piece of wood that has more holes than the other stained piece of wood. Make sure the unstained edge is facing up and insert the dowel into this hole. You can now place this piece of wood onto the screw that you put in earlier. With the other stained piece of wood, make sure the unstained edge is placed on the bottom. Insert 1 dowel like this and insert the piece of wood onto the screw that you also put in earlier. With the final bare piece of wood, place the dowel in like this. Make sure the fastener hole is facing downwards. Now grab 3 fasteners and screw them in tightly into these 3 holes. Set aside those 2 panels and grab 3 pieces of wood that look like this. Make sure you place them exactly like shown in this configuration. Grab 3 drawer sliders that have the R on them and place them like this. Make sure the holes are aligned like this. Now grab 9 screws and screw them in. Each drawer slider will need 3 screws. Now flip it and grab 3 drawer sliders that have the L labeled on them. You'll be doing exactly the same thing you did in the step before. For the next step, you'll have to grab 4 of these screws that are in the bag. They are a bit different than the normal ones you used before. You'll be screwing them into these 4 holes as shown. After that, you'll be inserting a dowel in this hole as shown. Now bring in the left side panel and connect these 2 pieces together. Make sure you put these 2 dowels in before you put it all together. Grab 3 of these screws and screw each one using the Allen key given by IKEA. Now insert 2 of the fasteners and screw them in tightly. Next, take these 2 pieces of wood and insert a dowel on each end like this. Then insert each piece of wood onto each screw. Like before, grab 2 of the fasteners and screw them in tightly. The next step is to insert 5 wooden dowels as shown. Now grab the right panel and put it in like this. Everything should fit nicely. Grab 5 fasteners and screw them in tightly in these 5 holes. Next, take the support screw and screw it in this hole. Now grab this piece of wood that has a groove in it and place the drawer slider that has an L on it. Align the drawer slider and use 2 screws to secure the drawer slider to this piece of wood. 1 screw goes into the hole on the right side of the wheel, and the other screw goes in on the very end. Flip this piece of wood over and do the same for the other side. You'll be using the drawer slider that has an R on it. Make sure you do these steps twice with the other piece of wood that looks the same. Place the piece of wood that you just finished like this and attach it by using the black screw on top and the silver screw on the bottom. Do this step again exactly on the other side of the dresser. Now grab the top panel and screw these 11 screws into these 11 holes. The next step is to use the last 9 wooden dowels and place them into these 9 holes. Next, place the top panel onto the dresser. Grab these 4 last screws of bag 2 and screw them into these 4 holes using the Allen key that IKEA gave you. Fasten the top panel by using these 11 fasteners. They go into these 11 holes as shown. Now place the dresser on its front and put the backing on. Then mark the middle section like this and draw a straight line down. Make sure the backing fits into the socket and hammer in 1 nail on the left side. Then go to the bottom right corner and make sure everything is aligned and hammer in one nail. Use the rest of the nails and hammer them in anywhere I run my finger. Just make sure the backing has no loose parts and don't nail in anything close to the top of the panel. IKEA also gives you hardware so you can secure the Hemnes 8-drawer dresser to your wall. Be sure you attach it so the dresser doesn't tip over. Now grab all the pieces from bag 3 and let us focus on assembling the top drawers. You're going to grab 2 of the side panels of the drawers. Make sure you grab the one with the warning sticker as shown. Insert 2 wooden dowels in the middle in each of the panels like this. Grab the front panel of the drawer and 4 of these screws. Screw them into these holes. The next step is to insert the side panels onto the screws like this. Then grab 4 fasteners and screw them in tightly into these 4 holes. Now place the bottom of the drawer like this. Grab the back panel and place it like this. Then grab 4 plastic pins and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now position your drawer like this and grab the complementary left and right drawer sliders. They should be labeled L and R. Place the left drawer slider on the left side and obviously place the other drawer slider on the right side. Make sure the wheels are facing the back of the drawer and use 2 screws on each drawer slider to attach them to the drawer. Now grab the knob and the screw so you can attach them to the front of the drawer. Insert this drawer on the very top left like this. Repeat the same steps for the other 3 drawers. Now let's focus on assembling the middle level of drawers. It's basically the same as the steps before, as you take the 2 side panels and hammer in the 4 dowels like this. Now grab the narrow, longer front panel and screw in 4 of these screws into these 4 holes. Insert the side panels like this. The big holes for the fasteners should be facing outwards. Grab 4 fasteners and screw them in tightly into these 4 holes. Now insert the bottom of the drawer like this. The next step is to place a back panel like this and secure it into place with 4 plastic pins. After that, slide the bottom panel to the side and grab yourself this metal support and 2 of these screws. Take one of the screws and screw it in, but make sure not all the way. Now hook the metal support to the front side of the panel and take the other screw and fasten it in all the way. Now slide the bottom of the drawer back to where it was. And like in the steps before, grab the complementary left and right drawer sliders and secure them each with 2 screws. The final step for this drawer is to install the 2 knobs like shown in the previous steps. Repeat the same steps for the other drawer. Now you should be left with the last 2 larger drawers. Repeat literally the same steps as you did for the middle level drawers. And finally, you should be finished your build. Just make sure everything opens and closes smoothly.